Hjerkinn Firing Range at Dovre. Live firing drills and military exercises. An important classroom for the Norwegian defense and our allies. It is in this area the Norwegian Defence Estates Agency now leads a unique environmental project. The area is to be restored as a nature and wildlife conservation area. Hjerkinn was established in 1923 and was the largest firing range in the southern parts of Norway. And now change has come to Hjerkinn. The last munitions have been dropped, the last round has been fired. The aim of the project and the Norwegian Defence Estates Agency is to conduct clearance and reclamation of the area for public use. Everything will be removed. The area will then be fully restored and revegetated as close to natural conditions as possible. In addition, teams on foot will clear all visual unexploded munitions, ammunition fragments and debris from the entire area. A new day of explosive clearance at Hjerkinn. Lieutenant Colonel and Military Project Manager Ole Petter Gundersen briefs the troops. They have a demanding but important mission on behalf of the Norwegian Defence Estates Agency. Identify and remove munitions fractions and debris all over the firing range, often in rough terrain and demanding weather. The soldiers are accompanied by explosive experts. GPS and digital maps are used to work efficiently. It takes time, but meter by meter, the entire firing range is cleared. And the work continues. The clearance will take place every summer until 2020. To clear areas with especially dangerous munitions, the Norwegian Defence Estates Agency, in close cooperation with the armed forces, use especially trained Canine units. Here are some of the dogs and their handlers in action. Never before has Canine units been especially trained to find munitions in a firing range. The dogs chosen for this important mission have been carefully selected. These are not your everyday dogs, more like super dogs. It's a demanding mission for dog and handler alike. They must trust each other completely and have complete focus on the job. The Norwegian Defence Estates Agency will transform the firing range to a nature and wildlife conservation area. In August of 2009, the work to remove some of the biggest facilities began. And it's done with high-tech remote control of the excavators and dumpers, since the area may contain unexploded munitions. On all the machines, several mounted cameras transfer crisp, HD quality feed to an operator situated in the command center, over 1 kilometer away. The work is paused immediately if the operator spots suspicious objects. Explosive experts will thereafter identify the munitions and, if necessary, take care of it. This has never been before been done in such a large scale in Norway, and it has generated big interest, both domestically and abroad. Here you see a piece of road before and after. In time, new vegetation will completely remove all traces of the original road. The nature at Hjerkinn is unique, beautiful and vulnerable, and the Norwegian Defence Estates Agency makes sure that the area is available for future generations. And that means that the project is more than clearance teams and high-tech excavators. An important part of the project is to establish an environmental monitoring program for the future, as well as a study of today's environmental status after many years of military activity. A close cooperation with some of Norway's leading scientists make this possible. A study of how the wild reindeer migrate in the entire Snøhetta area, monitoring of water and soil, study of endangered species, and a follow-up of the newly replanted areas are all part of this sustained effort. Wild reindeer and the musk oxen have important habitats at Hjerkinn, and the reclamation will grant the wild reindeer one of Northern Europe's largest conservation area. All in all, the Norwegian Defence Estates Agency leads a unique environmental project. We are proud to write history for the defence and environmental sector. To learn more, please visit our Norwegian website at www.forsvarsbygg.no.